So finally the Skyline is getting some love. We are putting spacer on the Skyline now and the Supra's old rims. Here are the spacers, 25mm. These spacers you can buy through us, 35 euros each. We have a lot of different bolt patterns and center bore. So I just gave it a quick wash so we can get a better look of the finish when we change the wheel and put the spacers on. Let's get to work. These are the rims that we are putting on it. Yeah. These came with the Supra when we bought it. A lot of dust. Need to be dusted off. So let's make it happen. I did one side. Ooh. It's a lot better than this. It's quite a perfect fitment. Not too aggressive. Right, spot on. Let's do all four. Be sure to put this center ring so that it doesn't just rely on the bolts. Perfect. Looking all shiny. Let's drop the car and see how it looks. Okay, this looks rad. Look at this, look at the back. That's too far in, man. So now it's only the back side left. God damn it, much better. Should we do something with these rims, like do these details red or something like that? We was thinking the theme of this car would be like white and red, so maybe that would be rad. So I drove the car out so we can see the difference of the front and the back when it's outside. You can see the difference better when it's outside. Let's see. The sun went behind the clouds. Soon it's here again. I don't know if the camera shows it, but you can clearly see a difference. This one is a lot further out. Pretty happy with it. Let's move this rubber to this rim. So as you can see, the front side on this one is a lot thicker where the tire should go down. Here it already goes down. So this one is a lot easier if you put it like the wrong way. So that's what we're gonna do. First, let's change the valve. I'm gonna save these. So now, because of these clamps, I'm going to get onto this. I'm going to put a little bit of cover so we don't scratch them. Even though this machine has these plastic covers in it, it's a little bit safer to put the extra plastic around the spring to keep it from scratching. On the outside goes up, but in this case it's the other way around. So the inside is taking upwards. Match the valve, the yellow dot goes align with the valve. Better to be careful and not to take it all at once. Now let's balance it. Black rim on the inside, so we're using black legs. Nil. All good. Now let's put these bad boys on the car. So now that we have put the tires on the rims, now time for the rear spacers to go in. Look at these. Remember that you can order these to us 35 euros each. I won't be filming when we put the spacers in the rear end. I mean, I've already filmed it once. I will show you the results later. Okay, so now to the moment of truth. Let's see the result. Take the locks off. The next step from 25mm spacers was 51, so if I would have went with 51, it would have definitely been too much. This is exactly, almost precise, the same line as the fender, so that's pretty good. It's decent. Well, it looks a hell of a lot better. Let's take it outside. So now let's see the result. I have the car right here. It looks really nice. The backside could have been 5mm more or something like that. But it is a lot better than it was. Check this side. Perfect. So that was all for today. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe. So a quick update on the company. We just made our first set of wheels sales. It's for a Kia EV sold electric car. So here are the package. Just got delivered. It's an original size wheel, so it's 16 inches. I'm gonna use the old tires. As simple as that. Here are the two other ones.